Okay. So now moving to the next question about why is sustainable building design considered to be a very important thing in today's day and age?
All right. So the world is facing climate change threat, and it's a established fact that climate change is for real, and we need to keep the temperature rise to below 1.5 or 2 degrees Celsius rise. Uh, and you would be surprised to note that building sector in total around the world is responsible for about more than 40% of total GHG emissions and energy consumption. Um, and if you even account for the embodied energy of materials and products that go into these buildings, then these emissions contribution by the building sector alone would be even higher. So, looking at these challenges of that the world faces due to the climate change, it becomes very important to have sustainable buildings and decarbonizing this sector, including the existing buildings as well as the new buildings which are gonna be built in the future years. That becomes immensely important. And
Absolutely.
like I said, it also is important to maintain healthy environments and for having good improved quality of life of people. So this all this is important. That's my take
Absolutely.
on that.
And I also want to just add one more thing here that when we're talking about sustainable building design, we're also talking about building designs for the future. We're talking about a time on this planet which has been, never seen before. It's an unprecedented kind of a condition that we're designing for. There's going to be temperature rise. There's going to be sea level rise. So there's going to be certain aspects of those in the future scenarios that we also need to take into account when we're thinking of a building to be sustainable. So it's not just about reduction of energy or reduction of your carbon footprint, but it's also, is this building going to survive when temperatures go above 50, 60 degrees? Or, is it still going to be comfortable when we have extreme conditions of weather and climate? And that's another question that, one needs to think about while designing sustainable buildings for sustainable communities.